All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. First time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've closed over 1,200 something transactions throughout the career of real estate here. I've been doing real estate now for 15 years, going on 16 years, and I've seen it all. So today I'm here at a new neighborhood called Opus by Taylor Morrison, out here in Cadence, the master plan community, the city of Henderson. Now we did tour these two models, so go back and check our playlist so that way you can take a look at those models. But today we're going to be focusing on the Cypress model. You got two different elevations to pick from. This is the lower cost elevation, I would like to say. Let's take a look at some of this stuff. So we've got our irrigation system, our gas line, electrical panel, our sensors for the coach lights. Love the fact that it does come with a track system here as well. Then we got one PVB valve for the irrigation system. All right, I'm gonna go inside because it is getting a little bit cold. Standard terracotta pavers. The landscaping that you see, you already know it's not gonna be exactly the same. Love the fact that we got an 8-foot door. I'm gonna try to go into the backyard this time. I couldn't get in the backyard on the other properties because I want to see what the AC unit looks like. Oh, look at this. We got a rekey. Now, the Cypress model features 1,998 square feet. In this one, you got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. You do have a loft upstairs, which is really nice, and a 2-car garage. Now, I'm going to say this is more of a entry-level home. Let's see if I can go outside. Oh, nope, they locked the back too as well. So as you can see, we got a covered patio. So this is one of the options that you can do. This would be a structural option. Now you could do a full cover patio as well. That is another option. Looks like we got 9-foot ceilings here. Orange peel texture. The flooring on this one is tile. This is 36 by 6 inches here. The tile has been laid out very well. Looks like we've got 3 inches on the straight edge baseboards. The only thing about these baseboards here, because of the material it is made of, that's why you're gonna see when you paint the baseboards, the ceilings, all the trims around the house, it will be a more high gloss. Because what eventually happens is when you start mopping and stuff, you start to scrape the side and the paint eventually comes off. And you're gonna have some sort of discoloration, so I want you to keep that in mind. On the island here, we have a 4x8. This is a hard surface quartz countertop. We have a 1.5 inch front face, it looks like, or 2 inches, you can say. However, some of you guys are not aware. I haven't showed this to you guys for some time. It is not one solid piece. It is a 45 cut. And then we have plywood that is underneath here, okay? Now on this one, as you can see, this is one piece because typically these slabs are really made 6 by 12 feet. So this could be cut out into one slab. Now, if you happen to purchase a home from any builder and you see this, you just need to make sure if you're doing your walkthrough, sometimes they'll take recyclable pieces or extra pieces to save costs, and now you have 2 or 3 separate pieces, okay? But we know that these slabs are 6 by 12, it should just be one piece. Now, I do see that in a lot of guys out here that are flipping homes. You'll see like 1, 2, or like this piece right here, you'll see 2 when it should only be 1. Here should be 2 because of the angle, but this right here, they blended it very well. So they did a good job. Looks like they added some LED lights underneath. I mean, it really gives a nice touch. We got the light rail underneath as well. Also, depending on the type of LED, I like the fact that this one is behind here, which is kind of cool. It definitely reflects. Sometimes what happens is if you don't cock this right here, you can literally see it. The cabinets here are 36-inch cabinets. They're not the 42 cabinets. Now, when you guys get your stove, you're gonna have to run the stove a couple times. Because typically what happens is a brand new stove, they would coat this with oil to prevent like the rust. Now, you have to burn it a bunch of times, clean it, burn it, clean it a couple times, because if you just start cooking, you're going to get that taste into your food. So just be aware of that. Also, make sure the appliances, you register them ASAP. 36-inch cubic refrigerator. Then we have our straight edge cornering, just standard orange peel drywall here. So we have the guest bathroom. So as you can see, the paint here, it's a high gloss because this is what we call a wet area, okay? Because of moisture. We have a coat closet. And this takes us out into our 2-car garage. However, I would like to go in there, but it's locked because I want to know what type of hot water heater you are getting. Is it tankless? We don't know. Now this is pretty creative of them to utilize this space as a pantry. That's definitely something I would do. We got a programmable thermostat, Honeywell. All right, typically these would be pony walls, but they upgraded to a nice banister. As we come up, directly right into the primary here, then we have our lovely loft. But let's start off on this side. See what we got. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, which is nice. All right, we'll go over here. The bedrooms are not that large. It looks a lot larger just due to the fact that we have a twin-size bed tucked away off to the side. Smaller furniture in here to give the appearance for the house to look a lot bigger, or the room to look a lot bigger. This one, they did the 4-can lighting, optional. Ceiling fan pre-wire. It's what we call a J-box. Got some brushed nickel hardware. Let's take a look here. Same thing. Breathing a little bit heavy today. I don't know what's going on. Haven't been to the gym for 5 days now. A little bit under the weather. The weather out here in Vegas right now is very bipolar. Your tile will be all in the wet areas. I'm talking about the standard tile. I mean, this is definitely an upgrade here. But look, we got a smart panel box. Oh, they screwed it in so you can't even see what you get. What a bummer. Nice high cabinets, 36. We got the recyclable Pkwy, which is actually doesn't look that bad. A lot of people are just doing quartz now, where the builders are. Fiberglass tub shower combo one piece. Very excited because the next couple days, one of our properties, or a property that I bought, will be going on the market here, and can't wait to show you guys the home that we fully renovated, because I want to get your guys' thoughts on it. So, and you guys know how much I always talk about attention to detail. So looking at the ceiling here, I don't know if you can see the discoloration there. We also have another discoloration there and another one there. So here, here, and here. They also did some more work over here too as well. That's the thing about drywall, guys. Once you lay down the drywall, you texture it and you paint it, it is very hard to find somebody to come back in and fix the drywall and retexture it. It's a piece of artwork or a piece of craftsmanship that you need to find that somebody that could do something like that. Well, this is a pretty deep closet, that's for sure. So this goes right over the, probably the, what do you call, the entryway there. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not very excited about this home just due to the fact that these are all like production build homes, and it just doesn't even excite me anymore. Because I see all the same stuff, you know what I mean? All same materials, same products. Some is a little bit more expensive than others. Now you do have an option to do a slide here, but if you do a slide here, then now you have a balcony. But the problem is that you can't just do that little balcony, you would have to do the whole thing here. So now you're forced to do that. Look how chilly it is today, just very windy. This kind of weather gets you sick. Oh, well, we do have a second thermostat, so that tells me it's a minimum of 2 zones. Do we have another one up here? Now, one thing I do like about this house, on this spec, they didn't shortchange you. And what I mean by that is they pretty much added all LED lights in all the rooms. Some builders will sell individual or package deal. If you do the package deal, it would be a little bit more cheaper. Not bad. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are. I mean, for the price of this home, base price, believe it or not, really starts you off at $471,000. Well, excuse me. I mean, you could probably just spec this out, keep it stock and standard, try to keep it at 500 and just rent this thing out. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.